Hey, Miss Nosebleed here, your English teacher. What can we learn today? Hello, do you know the difference between proceed and precede? Let's explore that today. Let's go. Okay, let's look at proceed first, P-R-O-C-E-D. It's a verb and it means to move forward or to continue. For example, when you are ready to pay, please proceed through the checkout. That means you can go, you can move, you can go on. Okay? Now let's look at the other word. This is precede, P-R-E-C-E-D-E. It's a verb as well, and it means to come before. Example, my new boss is more formal than the one who preceded him. So that means my new boss is different from the one who was before him. So preceded means the one before. Okay? All right. I think that's pretty clear. Now you know. To practice, use both words in your own sentences. Type your sentences in the comment section. I will check and give you feedback. This is an excellent way to practice using the two words we learned today. I look forward to your comments. I'm here to help you. Thanks, guys. That's it. Short and sweet. You know what to do. Got any questions? I'll see what I can do. See you next time.